Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Students, let us discuss today. What do you like to study science? What are the advantages of studying science? Yes, by studying science, we can know the new technology. I will be showing you some picture. I want you to please observe it carefully. What are these things? For what purpose these are used? Can somebody tell? Yes, these are the surgical things. These are used in the hospital. Right? So today's our topic is revolutionary steps in the surgery. I want you all to open the page number 82. I am going to read you a lesson. You all to please listen it carefully. Revolutionary steps in surgery. Surgery dates back to as early as 600 BC. Sushruta Samhita is one of the oldest works in the world dealing with surgery. It indicates that Sushruta was probably the first surgeon to perform surgical operation plastic surgery. Later, some ancient surgeons performed the tooth extraction and bloodletting. Major surgery could not develop for centuries because of of lack of knowledge and technology. The doctor had to cut open the part of the body that was not healthy, remove it or set right that part. This could involve a lot of pain to the patient. General anesthesia like ether or chloroform developed only from the mild 19th century, making painless surgical operation possible and successful. Modern technology are used nowadays for anesthesia, general anesthesia, benumbs the whole body, and it is used for surgery of an region of the body. For local anesthesia are injected into the surgical spot or an area near nerves. Over the year now, revolutionary steps have been taken in different types of complicated surgery, and these have made such operations successful. Let us start with the cardiac surgery. Today, if you need to have a heart surgery, you can choose from the many fine doctors. However, before 1893, this type of surgery was unknown. Doctors did not have modern medical tools and procedure essential for heart surgery in those days. Heart patients were treated with sedatives and they usually did not survive. Then in 1893, Daniel Hale William, a young African American surgeon, attempted a new medical technique in order to save a patient's life. Patient James Cornish was suffering from a very serious knife wound. The knife has cut an artery less than an inch from his heart and punctured the pericardium, the sac around the heart. Dr. Williams, with the six staff doctors, performed a complicated and daring operation. Dr. Williams became the first surgeon to save his patient by successfully repairing the human heart. So, students, as we saw the revolutionary steps in the sac around the heart, Dr. Williams, with the six staff doctors, performed a complicated and daring operation. Dr. Williams became the first surgeon to save his patient by successfully repairing the human heart. So, students, as we saw the revolutionary steps, I want you all to please go through the lesson so that I'll be asking you some question. So, read it silently. You read the lesson. Okay, now tell me, students, what do you mean by anesthesia? Anesthesia is nothing but substance gases that make one feel no pain. Yes, it's correct answer. So, students, Sushruta surgery dates back to as early as 600 BC. Sushruta Samhita, he was an oldest surgeon in a 600 BC. He was the first person who had made a plastic surgery in the ancient days. Later then we came to because of the lack of technology, there was lot of pain in the operation. Later, due to the new technology, there was a found of anesthesia which we can use this anesthesia to make the patient no pain in our body, right? Nowadays they are using general anesthesia. Students, I have wrote some new words on the board, so I want you to please go through it and make a note in your notebook. Is used in the surgical spot and area where the nerves. It was used on the area of the where they are operating, right? We have now cardiac surgery. What is cardiac surgery, students? It is related to the heart. Today, if we need, we have so many surgeries are there in that cardiac surgery. In ancient days, they were using sedatives to make a patient patient asleep, but nowadays to survive. So in a modern technology, now they are using anesthesia, where patient can feel no pain. So a patient called James Carnage in a modern technology was suffering from a very serious knife wound. The knife had cut his artery less than an inch as his heart. So there was one doctor where he was doctor. His name was Dr. William. He was the first surgeon to save his patient life by successfully repairing the human heart. By this he was alive. He was alive, and there was no any pain feel, because there was used as a anesthesia at this time. So the students, by we need to be sensitive about our part of the body. So we should be careful by doing whatever the things we are doing. So the students, we have here scientific temper, where the scientist has introduced such a useful things for ourselves. Students, today we have studied about the revolutionary surgery. So we have many more surgery in our lesson, like neurosurgery and robotic surgery. In coming lesson, we are going to learn about this. Before that, now tell me, who is the first surgeon who has operated a plastic surgery? Shushita Samiti. It's correct answer. Very good, children. Now tell me, what do you mean by cardiac surgery? Yes, it is related to the heart. Very good, children. Now, I will show you one diagram. I want you to label that part related to the surgery itself. Okay, students, we have completed our lesson, and I will be sending a Google link to do your homework, which is in the description. Thank you, students. I hope you enjoyed the class. Thank you, one and all.